Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Couch again, giving you the directions for today on Tuesday, the assignments. So remember, when you are going to log on, you are going to go to your Schoology page, go into your courses, and we are in Math Period 3. So today is Tuesday. So go ahead and click Tuesday. You again have your discussion. So your step ones, as it's taking it through your steps, your discussion says, describe how you find time to the nearest minute. So today is going to be a reteach of the lesson from yesterday. This is just explaining from what you did yesterday. Then you have your video of me teaching the lesson. Here you have, it says watch video. This is another way. This is what we watch from our from the book. So here sometimes it won't have you logged in completely. So if you click on here, it has our Pearson. Go to the second, so Pearson Easy Bridge, and click this. It should look for Manatee County School District. So here, make sure it has Manatee County, then you hit go, and then it should pop up with your visual learning, and you can go through and watch that. So those 2 quick steps, it should continue to log you in or keep you logged in. All you have to do is hit play and it will start. Alright, instead of hitting back on here, make sure you go back to the Tuesday, or else that will take you in your math book. So go ahead, when you're finished watching that, go ahead in Tuesday. And we are on our anchor chart. So of course, available your anchor chart. This is from Monday as well. Scrolling down and referring back to that for help. Then again, you have your lessons for our reteach. This would be like your homework that you would take home. So it's very similar to the pages that we did in class, or not in class, what we did yesterday together. And going through, remember solving it on your own piece of paper. And then when you are finished with that, taking that quiz. So you'll notice a pattern in every single day. So step 6, inputting your numbers here. So remember that right here it's telling you your number 4. So in your independent work, number 4 is going to be your answer here for question number 1. So go back and look what you got for number 4. Here's your question written out. Write the time in digital form, 12 minutes before noon. Then we have number 6 here. You're writing it in digital form, 30 minutes after 9. Then you have a quick response, typing that out, multiple choice, and multiple choice. Remember to hit submit when you are finished. And then when you're done with that, you have completed your lesson for Tuesday.